So hello friends, today we are going to speak about the laparoscopic ultrasonic energy. Usually we talk a lot about laparoscopic bipolar sharer, which is very cheap and effective. But we cannot forget about the very good, precise, safe instrument, that is ultrasonic energy, which is very less thermal spread, less than 2 millimeter I guess, and it is very good instrument for the advanced surgery like endometriosis or malignancy, where we very closely work near to the vital organ like ureter and blood vessels. So let's understand this instrument. This is a harmonic. Same instrument is by Korean, that is Sony Season, which works on the same mechanism, which converts mechanical energy into the thermal energy. How it works, on the what principle, that we understand later on. So let's first see this instrument. Here you can see two tips. One, this is active blade and this is passive blade. Passive blade is wider and coated with the Teflon. This is a shaft of the instrument. Here you can see the mechanism which rotate the tip for your conveniency, and usually we work with the coated tip, that is non-active tip. This is active one, this is non-active tip with the near to the vital organs to prevent any injury or thermal injury to that particular organ. Here you can see one more switch which is given for the advanced bipolar mode. Two more switch, one is maximum and one is minimum. Maximum mode works at the level 5, which is used to cut the tissue, and this one is minimum, which we can adjust at 1, 2 or 3 mode, which is usually used to coagulate. But when you are used to with this instrument, you can coagulate and cut at the maximum speed, that is 5. So here you can attach the handpiece, and which is second end, which will be attached to the generator. So before understanding how it works, let's see what mechanism it works, so that in very next surgery you can use this instrument very effectively and efficiently without having any problem. So let's see how it works. So basic function of ultrasonic energy is cut the tissue or coagulate. For that, basic principle is ultrasonic vibration at the rate of 55,500 Hz. So vibration will be caused by the piezoelectric crystal movement, where amplitude will be 50 to 100 microns, which will break hydrogen bonds in the protein and will cut the tissue. So direction of the vibration will be back and forth movement, where cutting will be caused by the denaturation of the protein through the mechanical energy, whereas coagulation will be caused by the protein denaturation and shrinkage of the collagen tissue. Here you can see the movement of the active blade, which is back and forth direction, and which will cause the cutting of the tissue. So let's understand this thing in animated video. Disclaimer is, this is not my video, this is I have taken from the Google only. So here you can see the piston, how it will work. So only active blade moves, and the passive blade will cause the compression on the tissue. So there is no energy on the passive tissue. So now let's understand how it works. So once you go inside, when you grasp the tissue and give adequate tension on the or compression on the tissue, it will cut. But if you want to coagulate this thing, so you have to apply less pressure. See, here you can see even you can cut the vasculature, but when you want to coagulate, you have to apply less pressure, so it will seal that particular vessel up to the 5 mm of the diameter. So thank you so much, and let me clear, it is not a sponsored video. I made this video just for understanding for the people who are in a group. Thank you so much.